Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about the one of the most confusing topics in grammar. That is the difference between because of and due to. It is going to be a short video. Uh, Now let's start the video. Well, because of at first we will know about because of itself a prepositional phrase, and it is normally used to modify a verb. It actually describes why something happens, or why an action is happened. For example, if you see the first example here, the game was cancelled because of the reason here. Because of modifies modifies the verb cancelled. Sorry, modifies the verb cancelled. And here, because of here in this sentence is telling why the game was cancelled. If we look at the second example, she missed the bus because of traffic. Here, because of is modifying missed. Why she missed? Because of here is modifying missed. Now, if we look at uh, due to here, uh, the definition here is mentioned of due to is that due to is an adjective phrase, and which usually modify noun or pronoun. And always remember one thing, that it usually follows by a to be verb. If you look at the example here, the cancellation was due to because of rain. Here, due to is modifying the cancellation in the sentence. But due to and because of, usually the meaning of these two phrases almost similar, but here we can't use because of, because we normally know that because of is always modify a verb, but here due to is modifying cancellation. So always remember that after a to be verb, we always use due to for comparison. Oh, sorry, we always use due to for reason. If we move to the next uh, here, uh, does due to always mentioned to be? Yes, due to always due to should ideally follow a form of a verb to be. Here it is mentioned that due to usually follows to be. So always remember that after a to be you can't use because of. You should always use due to for uh, mentioning reason. Here in this sentence, um, if we look at the incorrect version, here we missed their flight due to traffic. We can't use due to here because there is no, at first there is no to be verb, and secondly, uh, due to should modify the noun she, uh, but here it will modify the verb, so that's why uh, we'll use because of instead of due to. So friends, look at the comparison table in a nutshell. Here due to should follow to be. Yes, due to should follow to be. Due to modifies noun. And here is an example. The failure was due to error. If we move to the next one, because of should follow to be. No, because of should not follow to be. Because of modifies what, because of modifies verb. And here is an example. He left because of stress. Here because of modifies left in the sentence. So I think the confusion is clear now. If you want more quick grammar videos about confusing topics, stay with me, subscribe my channel, and like and share this video. And if you have any confusion, you can hit that in the comment below. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.